Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we discuss about the modern wooden door design. The front door is often the focal point of a home exterior. A door is the first thing guests see when they arrive. It is the last thing they see after leaving. It is visited daily by the mail delivery and it gives potential buyers something to remember by house buy. An ordinary home can become the house with the red door with nothing more than a simple coat of paint. While a piece of architecture can rely on a unique door style to tie its exterior design together, this post look at front doors that boast modern tailored personality and style. Let's start with a modern take on a classic. Smooth horizontal wood panels gain a contemporary update with a silky black handled guard that runs from top to bottom. Here's a wood door from a solid sheet of veneer integrated within a matching boards that wrap around on the side and ceiling. Doors that reach from top to bottom make entryway look larger than they really are. This one is especially interesting because of how handle guard continues sideways with room from mail slot. Warm wood panels jump out from the natural home exterior, horizontal matte black panels providing a little extra decoration. Vibrant wood tones add natural character to concrete exteriors. Here a matching walking path further differentiate the entryway from the paved parking and patio tiles. In the context of an industrial exterior like this one, a natural door can have an even bold effect. This one has a natural exterior to stand in contrast with the concrete and steel that surround it. This classic door seems to float weightlessly between frameless side lights. This door makes a dramatic first impression by offering a surprising, substantial and weighty look among a perfect glass-clad exterior. Wood panels are a nice break from the traditional horizontal or vertical wood planks. Fairy orange is a nice finish for a modern California home like this one. Timber planks and alternative glass strips allow for guarded visual continuity, allowing sunlight to filter through an otherwise heavy look door. The long door pull is another interesting touch. Incorporating glass is another way to make a front door stand out. These sheets of glass coordinate well with textural exterior of the home and provide extra privacy that ordinary panels could not. Note that this door also opens on a pivot to save space on the exterior. This door combines cut out branches with a multi-tone finish for a perfectly updated result. The handprint on the draw pull is a neat idea. Two screen doors can boast plenty of styles too. Here decorative stray work creates a guarded but attractive boundary between front door and the street outside. Fresh air filters right through to cool the home, but the hot sun does not get very far. This door glows brightly from within thanks to lighted sandwich between the semi-transparent panels. The mid-century vibes are the strong with this door. Natural shades of orange and green blend flawlessly with the nearby furniture and decoration while living up home. Natural material meet minimal in this gorgeous entryway. Sideway patterns certainly are not common pattern for front doors, making this one even more noticeable. The golden ratio inspired side lights reinforce the elements to play here. Side doors do not have much of pivot to them all. This lovely example could be mistaken for a traditional door at first glance, but the lack of visual hints make it a great option for those who seek out minimal in exterior design. It is impossible to overlook this creative modern door. A pivot outer frame within a smaller door, two traditional sizing and outer door blurring the boundaries between inside and out. The gorgeous below door curves outward to provide a visually stunning alternative to a traditional door handle. Now let's move on to a collection of doors that emphasize door. These bright blue doors stand out against the surrounding potted plants, a cool drink of water within a desert-inspired garden. Bright yellow is a cheerful and welcoming door, perfect for a front door. Color is a great way to impress bright flora growing nearby. These would have outshined any other door, so no the entrance gets to share spotlights. This door contains fabulous inner mechanism including a wide roof and hidden counterweight to create a dynamic opening effect. It looks just like an ordinary oversized door when closed, but fans out into a beautiful curved opening. This door offers an otherwise amazing example of construction, turning ordinary material into something magical. In this case, a lovely pattern that extends to door framing on either side. Thank you for watching the video. If you like my video, then subscribe my channel and like the video. If you get any help, then comment down below. Thank you.